Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a long time, but I'm back here with new content. So today, what I'm going to show you guys is what I made for my school project. It was a science exhibition related to the topic transport and innovation. So I made a working model of a smart street light. So today in this video, I'm going to explain to you guys how the smart street light works. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Okay, so the major components of this build are 4 LEDs, 4 IR sensors, and a laptop, an Arduino Mega 2560, some jumbo wires, 4 resistors, 4 transistors, then a programming cable to connect the laptop to the Arduino, and a 12-volt adapter for the LEDs.
Okay, so this is the coding part. So first of all, it will set pins 29 till 32 in input mode. So 29 till 32 pins are the IR sensor pins, and because they are supposed to give an input, I have made them to input mode. Then I have set pins A0 to A7 on output mode. So pins A0 to A7 are the LED pins, and because they are supposed to give an output, I have made them to output mode. Okay, so the next set of codes are for the turning on and turning off of the LEDs. So here I have added a loop in which if IR sensor 1, which is pin 29, detects an object, which means is equal to 1, then it will make A0 high and A1 low. So A0 is the positive pin for LED 1 and A1 is the negative pin for LED 1. High means the pin will get 5 volts and low means it will get 0 volt. So in this scenario, if IR sensor 1 detects an object, it will immediately turn on the first LED. And the same principle is applied for the rest of IR sensors and LEDs. So the next set of codes are like this. So if IR sensor 1 doesn't detect any object, then it will add a delay which is 3 seconds. 3 seconds are in milliseconds here, and that's why it's 3000 here. So then it will make pins A0 and A1 low. So low means the pin will get 0 volt. So in this scenario, if IR sensor 1 doesn't detect any object, it will wait 3 seconds and then it will turn off the LED. I have made it to 3 seconds because it's just a demo project. But if we are implementing the smart street light on a real road, then we can change it as per our requirement. So I have repeated all these codes for the rest of the IR sensors and LEDs. I have also added some slight modifications to the circuit. So initially I used a 5 volt LED for the street lights. But for better visibility, I decided to use some 12 volt LED strips instead of the small 5 volt LEDs. But the output of the Arduino was only 5 volt. So to drive the LED strips, I used some transistors along with the 12 volt adapter.
The advantages of using a smart street light in our society is that we can save a lot of energy. When I say a lot of energy, I mean a lot. We can also implement the smart street light not only on roads but also on parking areas and apartments. I would also suggest that we can make it solar power. So in the daytime when we don't need a street light, we can use the solar energy to power its batteries. And at night when we need the street light, we can use the energy saved inside the battery to power the street light. Okay, so this is the final product of the working model of smart street light I made. So first of all, if IR sensor 1 detects an object, it will immediately turn LED 1 on, like this. And if it doesn't detect any object, it will turn off the LED in 3 seconds. So 1, 2 and 3. So the same logic is applied for the rest of LEDs and IR sensors. I'll do it again. So that's how I made a working model of a smart street light. Thank you.